Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I organize my photos. And if you've seen my past videos, I do use an external hard drive, and this is it, iKValet G. So I'm going to double click that and it opens up all of the years. I have this one since 2016. So let's take a look at, let's say 2019. So I separate the separate years, right? Now I also separate by each photo shoot. So for example, let's choose Natalia. Blue background. So it's each name and photo shoot because sometimes I do multiple per person. Now the next thing I have is the JPEG and RAW separation. So here they all have her name and the number of the photo starting from 1. So I batch rename all of these in Bridge. And if you don't know how to do that, you can check the link down below where I show you how to do that. And these are all CR2, which if you are a Canon user, you know that that means it's RAW. Now going back, here's the JPEG folder. And here I also have them named the same way, but instead of starting from 1, they start from 10, then they go on to 15, and you see all these random numbers. These are only the ones she chose to keep, and these are ending in JPG because that is not a RAW picture anymore. These are already edited and saved as JPEGs. And that's basically it. That's how I keep myself organized. So JPEG RAW, name of the photo shoot, year, and everything in my hard drive. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and that was easy to follow. I know there's a lot of folders, but it definitely just helps me stay organized, and I keep my photos for years, so it's easy to find if somebody needs prints or anything. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye!